Hello, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G Pure. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's enter Google app and go to menu. Enter Settings, Voice Assistant, Voice Match, and enable Hey Google function. Tap Next, Agree, and continue. Now, let's try it out. Hey Google. Now we are sure it's working, let's go back and enter lock screen. Also make sure that this function is enabled. Now you can simply lock the screen and say, Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow? And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.